Hey guys, assalamu alaikum, it's Jenna G. Welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be jumping straight into this video, avocado and chicken salad. So let's go through the ingredients for our avocado chicken salad. I've got 2 chicken breasts that I already deboned and cut into pieces. I'm going to be seasoning this with some paprika, some all-purpose seasoning. I'm going to be cooking that in the pan, or you can throw it on the grill. Once it's finished grilling, we're just going to break it up into smaller pieces, and we're going to be cutting up our avocado into pieces and adding it to the chicken, as well as some red onions, just because I love red onions. We're going to be using some corn. I've got some cilantro and some garlic that I put into my mini chopper. I've got some chives. I'm going to be using some olive oil, and I'm going to be squeezing some lime or lemon juice into it. And we can't forget chili flakes. I'm going to be adding some chili flakes as well, and we're going to be using a pinch of salt for the avocado and a pinch of the black pepper in it as well. This already contains salt, so you won't need to add too much, but we'll just add enough just to cover the avocado pieces. So I'm just going to cook my chicken. I'm going to be using a pan. And I'm just going to cook it fully through. So now that our chicken pieces are all fully cooked through, I'm just going to let it cool properly, and then we're just going to break it up into some smaller pieces. Alright, so now what I'm just going to be doing, guys, is just breaking apart our chicken pieces. You can leave it chunky if you want, but I'll just shred it up into smaller bits. Now to this, I'm going to be adding my corn, my chives, my crushed cilantro and garlic, my onions. I'm going to cut up my avocado. Now I'm going to add my olive oil, a pinch of salt and black pepper, and not forgetting our lime juice, and last but not least, our chili flakes. So now what you want to do is just carefully mix everything up, and easy like that, you've got yourself a healthy avocado chicken salad. So guys, our avocado chicken salad is all done. This is an amazing dish, and not to mention very healthy. So you guys need to try this out for sure. Send me pictures when you do try it out. Let me know if you guys decided to add anything extra or anything less or more to it. And as always, thank you so much for watching. Give it a big thumbs up if you did like it, of course. Share it with all your friends and your family. Don't forget to try it, and I will see you guys in the next video.